Hello there, welcome back. So, as you know, and if you don't know, check out the previous videos. We're making hake. We're doing that with some stuffed mushrooms. They're in the oven, so there's nothing to see there. And we're doing it with a tomato and warm courgette salad, into which there will be basil, red onion, tomato. We'll also just put a squeeze of lemon. So when we put this together, what you'll see is the warm courgette going in there. And in the last video you'll have seen we also had a dressing going on in there as well. Okay, right, what do we do next? We get the hake on. So let's have a look down here.
We used to call it get your skates on when we were kids.
Lazy. Get your skates on.
Get your hake on.
So, right, in on the pan. There we go. So the heat is on. We've got our flour here. You'll remember earlier that we had this with the flour, garlic granules.
Onion, I think it was.
Sorry, you're right. Onion granules, white pepper, and then we put salt over that. We take our hake. You'll notice we've got the skin on still.
Skin's the best bit.
That helps to protect it when we're frying it.
Vitamin D. Uncle Bert told me that.
You can just put some in there to see if it's ready yet. Talk amongst yourselves. There'll be just a brief interlude. Anyway, it's lovely weather we've been having recently, isn't it? It's been a great summer. Everybody's enjoyed it so much. The plants are really enjoying it. I've got tomatoes all over the show. Anyway, we're back.
There it is. Oh, there it is. I'm in with the hakey wakey woo woos.
Nobody is denying that that fat could be hotter, but we are trying to cook this in 3 minutes flat.
Yeah.
On the old Instagram.
Guess how much time we've got left?
Seconds, probably.
Yeah, well, 30 seconds.
Excellent. Well, we're there then. So what we're doing is we're frying this off. We've got the skin side down. Probably about 10 to 12 minutes. When we come back, we're going to piece this all together. We'll have the hake, we'll have the salad, and we'll have the mushrooms. Good health.